Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, I will show you the best wireless graphics tablet, the Huion Key 200. If you're looking for a powerful wireless digital tablet with a built-in keyboard and dial, this could be the perfect option for you. So, stay with us as we dive into its features, pros, cons, and who this device is best suited for. Let's get started. Product features. Dial controller. By default, turning the dial clockwise zooms in on the canvas, while turning it anti-clockwise zooms out. It can also be customized for navigation and other functions like brush size adjustments, rotation, and scrolling. 5 customizable press keys. Includes 5 customizable keys that allow users to assign shortcuts, enhancing productivity. These keys are mapped to T, G, U, O, P, and L by default, but users can personalize them based on their workflow. USB-C connectivity. Equipped with a USB-C port, ensuring faster data transmission and power supply compared to micro USB. It also allows for a more stable connection when charging while using the device. Bluetooth 5.0 wireless connectivity. Offers a wireless range of 510 meters, freeing users from cable restrictions. While most devices with built-in Bluetooth can connect seamlessly, a Bluetooth receiver is recommended for older Windows versions to ensure a stable connection. Long battery life. The built-in battery provides extended usage time, allowing artists to work without frequent interruptions for charging. Battery performance may vary depending on usage. Compatibility. The Huion KD200 is compatible with major design software, including Photoshop, Illustrator, Clip Studio Paint, and more, making it a versatile tool for digital artists. Pros. Boosts efficiency. With an integrated keyboard and dial, users no longer have to switch back and forth between a keyboard and tablet. Wireless freedom. The Bluetooth 5.0 connection offers flexibility and a stable connection within a 10-meter range. Great for various users. Ideal for creative practitioners, school students, CG enthusiasts, and advanced digital artists. Portable and lightweight. The sleek and lightweight design makes it easy to carry, perfect for artists on the go. Extended battery life. The long-lasting battery means fewer interruptions during work sessions. Cons. May require Bluetooth receiver. Older Windows versions might need a Bluetooth receiver for a stable connection. Learning curve. The integrated keyboard and dial may take some time for new users to get accustomed to. No built-in screen. Unlike some high-end tablets, the KD200 lacks a display, meaning users must work while looking at their monitor. Limited onboard storage. The device does not have built-in storage for saving work directly on the tablet. Who is it for? The Huion KD200 is an excellent choice for digital artists and designers. The intuitive dial and customizable keys make it a great tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. Students and beginners. A fantastic, affordable option for those getting into digital art and graphic design. Professional creatives and CG enthusiasts. The built-in keyboard and wireless connectivity help streamline complex workflows. Artists on the go. The lightweight and portable design makes it ideal for creatives who need a mobile setup. Check out the price link in the description to get yours today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Best Product for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.